Hello Investec, this is a demo of the Home Assistant integration with Investec OpenAPI. What we've done is we've written a Python library that takes your client ID and secret as an input. It then allows you to access transactions, account balance, your accounts. This is then used by the Home Assistant integration that we've written and brings all of the data provided by the API to Home Assistant itself. Now, for the user to configure this, it couldn't be simpler. They simply add this into their config for Home Assistant. This also supports using secrets in Home Assistant for further to secure data even more. Again, benefits of Home Assistant. This is running on your own premises, no cloud, no one else has your data except, well, Investec and you. Simply put this into your config, then start Home Assistant. It will dynamically fetch all accounts that you have available, figure out what currency they're using, and show them to Home Assistant. Okay, so over here we can see Home Assistant already provisioned with my account. I've specifically added this account for this demo, loaded in some money so we can see its functionality. At its core, this integration is a sensor. It exposes the information. It has the ability down the line to also add transactions. We've just chosen not to do that yet. So that's the simplest form. Now let's see how this is used. Over here, you can see current balance of the account. This is continuously tracked as if it would be a sensor. Home Assistant acts as a database. It also has various tools for exploring your data, comparing it with other data, weather data, smartwatch data, blood pressure, whatever you wish. But enough of that. Let's demo its functionality. I'm going to transfer 500 Rand out of this account. For quickness sake, I'm going to quickly tell it to refresh so that you don't have to wait. Boom. There we go. Account balance is dropped. So let's bring the data in. It's accessible. It's a dashboard. This can be displayed on anything Home Assistant runs on. Smart mirrors, TV, Chromecasts. This has direct integration with Google Assistant, Alexa. That allows you to display this on a Google Show Hub, Alexa Show Hub. And any other of the ecosystem. But where this becomes really useful is automation. Now, hypothetically, let's say we want to be alerted when our bank balance drops to 0 for whatever reason. We've got an automation here. Normally you'd have to write this in code or YAML or some other complicated thing that most users don't want to deal with, or even you developers don't want to deal with, because why do a very simple thing in an annoying way every time if you want to do it many times? Yeah, I've configured it. When the state of my bank account drops to 0 for 10 seconds. Now, I don't want to do this when I'm not home. So, this talks to my unified controller. When my phone is on my Wi-Fi network, I am home. Perfect. Only do it then. We then call a service. In this case, we are calling a dummy switch that I've created for demo purposes. We are going to turn it on. You can see it here. Let's save this. Now I am going to simply transfer all the money out of that account. Okay, money's transferred. Let's force an update. Boom, money's come out. Now we should see in 10 seconds the dummy switch update. And I appear to have accidentally set it to toggle, but you see here, the device has been triggered. Now imagine the expanded abilities of this. Let's say you get very stressed when your debit orders go off, as I do. You can have this set to just simply go, oh no, debit orders have gone through. Let's play some calming music. Let's maybe up the humidity. Let's lower the temperature. Now, some more useful situations. This can very easily integrate with Sensibo or some other home control system for air cons and that. Bank account running low. Let's decrease the cooling or heating because we don't want to waste money. Have a lot of money? Perfect. And yeah, as you see, you can do anything with this. It's especially useful is the fact that Home Assistant has full data science modules, so comparing data, no problem. Anyway, that's my demo. Please ask me questions because I know my demo abilities are not great. Bye.